A few years ago, one of my garden club members gave me a newspaper article about a place called Camp Hill Village. It talked about how people with and without developmental disabilities live together to care for each other. It sounds like they try to grow and produce as much of their own food as possible. Well, I always thought gardening is for everyone, and I wanted to find out more, so I called Annie Welk, who said we could come for a visit. Thanks so much, Annie, for letting us come.
Yep, Mary, I'm so excited to have you here.
Tell me, what is Camp Hill Village?
So we are a life-sharing community made up of about 50 individuals, some with developmental disabilities and some without. And everybody lives and works together on our 525 acres of land. We do things like this orchard here, we grow this food, we have our gardens, we have our farm animals, and then we have various other workshops that everybody takes part in.
Is Camp Hill Village a nonprofit organization?
Yes, we are. We are a 501c3 nonprofit. We get funding through multiple different avenues because we do have individuals with developmental disabilities here. We do get some Medicaid funding, but the bulk of our money is coming from contributions made by donors that have been supporting us, both new and old, for many years, as well as some foundational support.
Then do you try to use some of the enterprises you mentioned to sustain the village?
Yeah, so we can proudly say that we grow, harvest, process about 70% of our entire food consumption here on location. So that means we are pretty much fully, 2/3 self-sustaining.
Do some of the people that live here work off-site?
Some do, yes. We offer the opportunity for individuals to go out into the greater surrounding areas and to work at different places there, consignment shops, things like that. A few hours here and there every week. We also have members from the community that are part of like local organizations like the Lions Club and things like that.
Then do you offer tours here too?
We do. You can call ahead, call me, or email me at outreach@camphillmn.org, and I can set up a tour for you to come and check out this beautiful site. We also have an open house every fall where we welcome people from all over to come share the day with us. We do a community meal that's free of charge. We do hay rides, face painting. We sell some of the items that we make here on site, and there's a band. It's just a lot of fun.
Is that then open to everybody, and do you let everybody know?
We try to let everyone know everyone is welcome. Bring your friends and your family.
Do you have other outreach events that you have?
At this point, we don't have a ton of other outreach things that we have specific to here, but what we do is a lot of farmers events, farmers markets, and we do other events like that, such as the Garlic Festival, or last summer we did a lot at the Richmond Farmers Market as well.
What are the products you take to the festivals and the farmers markets?
We sell a lot of our cookies. We make all of our organic cookies here on site. We also make homemade organic bread. And we just recently started making our own bagels here. So those have been selling really well at events. Additionally, we sell items that are made in our weavery, where we use 100% recycled materials to make things like rugs, tote bags, table runners. And we just reopened our pottery workshop, where they're making tons of amazing products like mugs and spoon rests and herb strippers and things like that. And we also have a woodworking workshop where individuals are making things and painting things like birdhouses and charcuterie boards.
So are the residents involved in making all of these things?
100%, and that's why the volunteers that are here to support them in creating these things to the best of their abilities.
Then do you have to do fundraising too?
We do fundraising as well, yes. That's kind of what my key role is at this point in time, is to reach out and try and get our name known and see if we can generate some excitement about our community.
These apples are gorgeous.
I absolutely love our apples here. We use them to make a ton of baked goods in our bakery. On top of that, we also have an amazing vegetable garden.